You make
You
that
need a
noise?
chaser?
Yeah. Are you taking my picture?
Nope.
You're
Video.
recording me, aren't you?
Is he getting on there?
Stop!
You know that shit's going directly on YouTube, right?
I'll kill somebody. Can't concentrate. Really?
Red?
Mackenzie said they gave her mom some nitros and a baby aspirin.
That's not good.
That's like a heart attack or something.
Yeah.
Chest pain.
Her mom is like my age.